I think he is going to surprise some conservative people, actually. And some very liberal people he won't surprise them because they already like him.
A bajillion pundits and politicians have already weighed in on this press conference that happened. So why the heck am I doing that, particularly since my focus is on families? Well, I haven't heard anybody talk about what I'm seeing in it, and I want to share it with you because I find it really exhilarating. They're all talking about how Trump loves a winner and he loves a media spectacle. And while I think that's true, and it might have put him in a frame of mind to be more receptive to Mamdani, what I'm seeing is Mamdani do 4 things quite strategically. It's a playbook, if you will, in order to have a productive meeting. And I want to share with you what those 4 strategies are because I think that they apply not only in the Oval Office, but also to any situation, any conflict that you're having in your family, perhaps with someone who you are really angry with that person, or you know that you see the world very, very differently than they do. So the 4 strategies that I see Mamdani using, and I'm going to show you clips from the press conference where he uses them to illustrate this. So first, he finds a shared purpose that he and Trump both wholeheartedly buy into. Then he sticks to that shared purpose no matter what anybody else, what he's asked, whatever. He ties everything, all the words out of his mouth, he just keeps bringing it back to the shared purpose. He is not interested, this is the 3rd strategy, he is clearly not interested in trying to argue Trump out of any position that he has. He doesn't want Trump to change a thing about any of his positions. He's not involved with all that. It's just all about focusing in on their shared purpose. And finally, he uses non-controversial language to talk about what matters to him about moving towards that shared purpose and what he imagines also matters to Trump. So, without further ado, let's look at him use that first method, that first strategy, which is outlining a shared purpose for their time together.
It was a productive meeting focused on a place of shared admiration and love, which is New York City, and the need to deliver affordability to New Yorkers, the 8.5 million people who call our city their home, who are struggling to afford life in the most expensive city in the United States of America. We spoke about rent, we spoke about groceries, we spoke about utilities, we spoke about the different ways in which people are being pushed out, and I appreciated the time with the president, I appreciated the conversation. I look forward to working together to deliver that affordability for New Yorkers.
That's how you can use the Mamdani method in your own home. Simple, but not easy. I want to offer you the Conflict Prevention Jumpstart Kit. And there's invitations to the conflict repair cafes that I host on a regular basis, both online and in person. Information about how to get your very own Jumpstart Kit is in the description at the bottom of this YouTube video.